How to change the terminal background color on Mac. So here is how to do so. First of all, simply press the Command plus space and a spotlight search will appear on your home screen. Then from there, simply type down the terminal and hit enter. Now once you open the terminal, simply tap on the terminal in the top left corner of your screen. Then from the drop down, tap on the settings option available there. Once in there, tap on the profile option available there. Inside profile tab, you can see there are various themes available like basic, pro, grass, homebrew, ocean. Click any theme to preview it in the right pane. Now all you have to do is select the theme and simply keep it and save the changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.